Tomorrow, December 29th, is scheduled the preliminary hearing in the Jared Leisek case. Jared Leisek is the founder of AWP Adventures with Purpose, and he has been charged with child R of his cousin. Originally, there were 2 counts of child R. Now there's only one. This is in the state of Utah. It's a super quick update, but I wanted to share just to make sure we're all on the same page here. There is, in the Utah State Court's calendar, we still have the preliminary hearing scheduled for tomorrow starting at 9 a.m. And, usually they schedule the entire day for preliminary hearing because at the preliminary hearing, that's where evidence will be presented on both sides. And so, could take 30 minutes, it could take several hours, but that is scheduled for tomorrow, and it is an in-person hearing. I don't see a remote hearing link yet, but there might be something. I'll see if there is one. I'll make sure to attend, and we'll share whatever information I get from that preliminary hearing. Now, the other thing I wanted to share, which was really interesting, and I meant to do a quick little side video on this, but figured I'd just do it today. So remember, I did a video a few weeks ago that there appeared to have been, the preliminary hearing had been canceled and a pretrial conference had been scheduled in its place. Well, I checked the docket, and it looks like what had happened was that was actually an incorrect entry. So it looks like it was a clerical error, I guess, if you will, for that pretrial conference, because it was originally a preliminary hearing back in it's set back in September. It appeared that it had been canceled, and then a pretrial conference was scheduled, and then the preliminary hearing was scheduled in its place. So it was a little bit confusing. I was trying to figure out why that is. We couldn't get any information on why that was, but there is a reason stated here in the legal documents, and it says that it was an incorrect entry. At least they have corrected it, and now it's stated that it is still a preliminary hearing. It's scheduled for tomorrow. It is about midday here on the East Coast, so anything can happen. As we've seen, there have been many times that the preliminary hearings have been continued. So I'll continue to check today and even in the morning, make sure that it's still in place. And if there is, I will let you guys know as well. But as of right now, there is a preliminary hearing scheduled for tomorrow. And again, preliminary hearing is a big deal, right? They're going to see, like, both sides are going to be presenting whatever evidence they have to either to see that if there is sufficient probable cause. So this is a preliminary hearing prior to a trial being set. So it's a big deal. We'll see what happens tomorrow. And again, if it does take place, then if I'm able to attend, I will, and will share my the notes afterward. And if not, if it's continued or if anything else happens, I'll let you know as well. If you haven't yet, I'd appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. My main focus in empowering survivors is to be that voice for survivors, missing persons, and those who don't have a voice. With that, stay safe, stay thriving. Remember to trust your intuition, trust your gut, and make sure to keep it empowering. Bye for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Thank you.